Dubai's DXV facility sets the stage for advanced air mobility with Skyports and GCAA's vision for urban transport transformation. By DroneLife staff writer Ian J. McNabb, the rapid progress of the Middle Eastern drone industry received a big boost from Dubai, with the recent news that the General Civil Aviation Authority, GCAA, has granted technical design approval for the first commercial vertiport in the United Arab Emirates. This significant milestone enables Skyports Infrastructure, Skyports, to continue with the development of its DXV facility, where commercial air taxi operations are scheduled to begin from 2026. According to the press release, the Dubai International Vertiport, DXV, named for its location near Dubai International Airport, DXB, is the first facility to receive design approval under the newly established UAE Vertiport Regulations. It is the first of 4 sites in an initial air taxi infrastructure network being developed by Skyports in collaboration with Dubai Roads and Transport Authority, RTA, and Joby Aviation. Technical design approval is a crucial milestone in GCAA's advanced regulatory framework, which provides assurance that proposed aviation infrastructure will comply with the physical characteristic requirements outlined in the GCAA's CAR HVD Part 3. According to the press release, the design approval process involves a thorough assessment of critical factors, including physical dimensions, layout, airspace considerations, obstacle environment, and rescue and firefighting services, RFFS. As part of the approval requirements, Skyports demonstrated a comprehensive rescue and firefighting strategy for both battery and traditional fuel fires, along with securing necessary security approvals. H.E. Saif Mohammed Al-Sawidi, Director General of the GCAA, said, "The approval of the DXV vertiport design advances the UAE's leadership in adopting innovative aviation solutions, aligned with the ambitious visions of the country's wise leadership, and supporting the air taxi project set to launch in 2026. This project exemplifies our commitment to creating safe, secure, and future-ready infrastructure. The GCAA is proud to play a central role in enabling transformative projects that will redefine urban mobility and set global benchmarks for integrating emerging aviation technologies." Duncan Walker, CEO of Skyports, added, "What we're undertaking in Dubai and driving in other regions completely reimagines the way people travel around cities and between regions. This is all made possible through the development of new regulatory frameworks and guidelines, which ensure a compliant, safe, and scalable approach to aviation infrastructure. Today, with the GCAA, we've reached a key milestone for our flagship DXV facility, bringing us ever closer to launching commercial air taxi operations." This news follows the October announcement of a partnership between Skyports and local parking solutions provider Parkin to aid in the development of further advanced air mobility infrastructure in Dubai. Earlier this year, the company laid out a roadmap that would have the first flights take off in 2024.